Morning, Henry McClure live. I'm about ready to make my morning elixirs with turmeric. Do you know that you got to use black pepper to help your body absorb the turmeric? Olive oil, for the chopped garlic and olive oil. Then I put a little olive oil in the elixir to help the, just to make it all greasy so it all goes down. Vital Reds, Dr. Gundry. This is a part of every day. You gotta read Plant Paradox and learn the story of Big Ed. Now I'm missing a couple of things that I need. I usually put my sea moss in it now, but my sea moss is at work in a pill form. And there's one root that I'm missing today. What else? There's something else I'm missing here. I should start writing this stuff down. Good morning. How are you? Having some San Pellegrino water to get going. So I'm going to talk politics a little bit because I love talking about change. And there's one thing I don't understand. I don't understand it. I don't understand it one bit. I don't understand how you could accept a pardon which you admit guilt, right? If you're going to get pardoned by the President of the United States for something, aren't you admitting you're guilty of that something? So you're going to have to tell me how Adam Schiff is holding up the appointment of the Attorney General. I don't get it. Here's a guy who received a preemptive pardon for his role in January 6th, and I don't think there's been one thing this guy's ever done that's true. I don't get it. I do not get it. I don't understand how people just want to go out and work against change. The one thing I really didn't understand yesterday, and I still am not going to understand it, is how we're subsidizing a project with taxpayers' money just to help the AT&T building. And I'm just assuming Cody Foster is the majority owner of that project. It has an industrial revenue bond that allows it to pay only about half of the taxes, the real estate taxes. So I want a card that just says, look, I want to opt out of sales tax that goes to these projects. And if you want to go ahead and support the oligarchy's rule of our county. So last night, City Council, because it's all about Jetto votes. So you've got David Banks, Spencer Duncan, the mayor, and the deputy mayor. Those are the 4 Jetto votes. The city literally can run Jetto. They've got the majority. And that's what it all comes down to, is we have to change Jetto. Joint Economic Development Organization. When we change Jetto, we can change government in Shawnee County. We're taxing people out of their houses here. Go door to door. Go find out. You go ask people. I can tell you. I did it. There's nothing more depressing than going door to door in our community and talking to people about what's really what. I'm going to put a little ginger in it today. I do find taking the CMOS pills a little easier. If you can't change your mind, you can't change anything. This is coming from a lifelong Topeka. They've said the same bullshit. They have said the same bullshit over and over again. But somebody has to pull the curtain back and get you to open up your eyes. Hey, do you know, they took one of my videos down about my analogy about the Matrix. Some people must have complained that I made a video on TikTok about take the red pill. Hey, more people are watching me than I know. Community standards. I didn't know TikTok had community standards. I wasn't bashing the Chinese. I just want you guys to know more than ever right now that Donald J. Trump's our president. Hello, Jay. Good morning. Jay, I hope you're having a good day, buddy.